Hey there guys, what's up? This is Shahzeyn Ridaan here from You Know What. Before we get started on our class, I want to wish a very happy and special Ramadan to Muslims all around the world. So, since today is Saturday and it's Ramadan, we thought why not we do a baking class. So today, my friends, we will teach you how to bake banana breads. So Ridaan will tell us some of the ingredients.
First of all, we need 3 mashed bananas, and then we have to put in the bigger bowl. We have to put this 3 mashed bananas into the bigger bowl. After that, we need 1 egg and add it into the mashed bananas. And after that, you need to take like half cup of sugar and put it. And then you have to mix all these ingredients. But first, you have to take this spatula and mix these ingredients, and make sure mix it well.
So guys, now I will tell you the remaining ingredients. First, we need 1/4 of oil, but you can also add 1/4 of melted butter if you want to instead of oil, but it's only if you want. Make sure to mix it with a spatula. We need to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then again mix it with a spatula. Whenever you add a new ingredient, make sure to keep mixing it. Okay? And then we need to add 1.5 cup of flour. And keep mixing it. You need to mix it a lot. And guys, now add a pinch of salt in the batter. And also a little bit of vanilla essence.
Now guys, I have put the batter into the grease pan.
So guys, now I'm adding a bit of Hershey's syrup in the batter, and this is optional. If you only want it, then you can add the syrup. It's optional. See?
Our most favorite banana bread is ready. I can't wait to eat it. It looks so yummy and good.
So guys, please subscribe our channel, and I hope you enjoyed today's baking class. Bye bye.
Bye.